Welcome to this video. In today's video, we're talking about what Kwargs are. What exactly are Kwargs and what is use case of Kwargs? Kwargs help us to handle some values in functions, and the way we write Kwarg is to with the name and the key. Like in dictionary, write a key. I'm going to give it the function. Let's say we give it name, for example, and to write Kwargs, it goes with two asterisk in front, two asterisk, and then we can write Kwargs. Remember, its name must be Kwargs. You can write, let's say let me write Peter. Can use Peter for it as far as these two asterisk is on it, but let me use the Kwargs because this is a conventional way. It's being mainly used in Python. Let me print out the what am I doing? I print out the Kwargs. So let me call the function. Remember, inside there you have to give it values, and for it to give you, and how it works, it takes a value, a key, and a value. Let me give you the first name. Let's say name 1 is going to be Peter. Let's say channel is going to be, let's say, easy kit. Let's say location, let's say Nigeria. As you can see, this is a key and this is the value for the key. This is a key, this is the value for it, and so for location, Nigeria is the location, the value for it. When I run this, you can see this is the value it got printed out here, and now I can make use of it. I can make use of any value. Let's say let me get the one of Nigeria. To get this is basically how dictionary works. To get the value Nigeria, we'll make use of this list square bracket, and then we'll give you the key, which is location. When I run location, you can see I got Nigeria. And now in that of dictionary, we mentioned that dictionary must be, the key must be something that cannot be changed, that cannot be altered. So this is basically how you can get the value using the key. And wondering that since this is a variable, why does it have to be printed out in this format, which is a string? In Python, this is how it's basically done. So if I want to print out this channel, I have to write it in a string format. Easy kit, as you can see. So Kwargs just basically help us to handle values in keys and the values, so we can still make use of them later or anytime we want to make use of them. So this is just basically how Kwargs works. You can also, there's still a lot of complex ways going to work. Kwargs means that it's hardly being used. Args is more used compared to that of Kwargs, but we're still going to make use of them in our future videos. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.